Saw a flame in the cup holder, palm shadows on the hood. I'm letting the pressure melt slow. Warm it up. Soft flame glowing where the silence is. I breathe out pain in little quiet bits. Cup holder light with the windows low. I let the whole night take it slow. Yeah. I don't need a crowd when my thoughts get loud. Just a soft little flame in the low night cloud. Engine-idle with the bass and the flow. Heart been tired, but it ain't closed though. I've been through days that bent my spine. Smiling outside while I lost my shine. Now I sit here calm where the palm leaves sway. Letting smoke take half that weight away. No big flex, just a real confession. Peace came late, but it's still a blessing. If the world goes cold and the bills stack high, I find warm light where the small flames lie. Glow real small, but it burns deep. Heart been restless, now it can sleep. Soft flames in the cup holder, warming up my soul. Low bass on my heartbeat, helping me let go. Soft flames in the cup holder, smoke rise through the pain. If the night feels heavy, I find peace in the flame. I seen dark thoughts hide in the clean white smile. Seen good folks tired after one more mile. Seen love leave quiet, no goodbye sound. Seen strong hearts crack when nobody around. That's why I move gentle with the pain I meet. Everybody got wounds underneath the beat. Some need silence, some need prayer, some need smoke in the midnight air. I ain't chasing perfect, I'm chasing calm. One slow verse like a healing song. If tomorrow wakes with another storm, tonight this little flame keeps me warm. Soft flames in the cup holder, warming up my soul. Low bass on my heartbeat, helping me let go. Soft flames in the cup holder, smoke rise through the pain. If the night feels heavy, I find peace in the flame. Soft flame, small light, still counts. Small peace still counts. One quiet breath can save a whole night. I'm learning not to hate my slow repair. Not every healer needs a witness there. Sometimes growth is a silent ride, with the warm glow tucked on the passenger side. If you feel burned by the life you hold, let the night make the fire soft, not cold. Let the smoke rise where the hurt once stayed. Let your soul come home unafraid. Cup holder, warming up my soul. Low bass on my heartbeat, helping me let go. Soft flames in the cup holder, smoke rise through the pain. If the night feels heavy, I find peace in the flame. Soft flame, warm soul. Let go, let go, let go, let go. Soft flame, soft flame, soft flame. I find peace in the flame. Soft flames in the cup holder. I find peace in the flame. Smoke in the rear view, old blocks fading behind me. I'm not turning around tonight, leave it back there. car in the rearview glass. I watch those shadows loosen their grasp. Taillights blur where the memories stay. I let one more piece of yesterday fade. Yeah. I used to stare back too long at the pain. Used to let old ghosts ride in my lane. Used to hear their voices in the quiet night, telling me I never get my spirit right. Now I keep the mirror but I don't obey. Past can't wait but it can't make me stay. I got smoke in the air and my hand on the wheel. Finally letting myself feel what I feel. Amber glow on a tired face. Little bit of mercy in a broken place. If the heart learns slow, that's still okay. Even small steps move weight away. Rear view glowing, old pain slowing. Smoke keeps drifting, heart keeps knowing. Amber smoke in the rearview mirror. I see the past but it don't come nearer. Baseline deep, night air clear. I'm letting go of another hard year. Amber smoke in the rearview mirror. Soft light making my road feel clearer. If the memories call my name, I rise slow, release that pain. I got a few regrets with a heavy tone. Few old texts I should've left alone. Few lost friends that I still respect. Few